'74 Pontiac Ventura. This is a father-daughter project, and she drives it at the drags every week. Runs high 11s, unless you push the nitrous button, then it runs high 10s. It's all original except for the nose has been put on. It's real low miles too, like 41,000 miles on the original. Oh, 61,000. And it's very nice inside. Got nice looking wheels.
Let me open the jewelry box.
Oh, and there's the get up and go. It's 461 cubic inches, he said.
Well, are you a certified mechanic? I said,
That's fun. I'm a former bracket racer myself. Thinking about going out again this year. I still own my bracket car. And it's very nice under the hood. It's cleaned up, got big brakes. Cool car.